Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're like me, you probably spend a lot of time creating content for your business or online brand. Whether it's blog posts, images, voiceovers, or videos, it can be exhausting to keep up with the constant demand for fresh content across different platforms. But what if I told you there's a way to automate all of that and create high-quality content without breaking a sweat? Well, today, I want to talk about a tool that promises to do just that, WorkForce AI. Now, let's be honest. Creating content is hard, it's time-consuming, and if you're trying to grow a business, you know that the key to success online is consistency. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Google all reward you for pushing out content regularly. But the challenge is, who has the time to create hundreds of pieces of content each month? That's where WorkForce AI comes in. This all-in-one platform is designed to help creators, entrepreneurs, and even agencies generate content quickly and easily. And not just one piece of content, but an entire range of content types, including blog posts, videos, images, voiceovers, and even entire marketing campaigns. The best part? You don't need to be an expert in any of these fields. You don't need to spend hours learning new software or hire multiple freelancers. With WorkForce AI, everything is done for you at the click of a button. Imagine this. You log into the platform, type in a simple keyword or topic, and instantly, WorkForce AI generates high-quality content for you. If you need a video, it can come up with trending video ideas, write a script, and even create a professional-looking video for you. It uses the latest AI models like Sora to ensure that you're always on top of the game when it comes to content creation. If you need images, it taps into tools like MidJourney, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion to generate stunning visuals right away. And for voiceovers, you can either clone your own voice or choose from over 1,900 ultra-realistic AI voices in more than 150 languages. But it doesn't stop there. WorkForce AI also helps you create high-ranking blog posts. These aren't just any blog posts. The platform writes, optimizes, and publishes them directly to your WordPress site. And you can do this in seconds. No more stressing over writing long-form content or hiring expensive writers. Whether you're in the e-commerce, fitness, tech, or any other industry, WorkForce AI ensures that you have the content you need when you need it. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds great, but what if I need to repurpose my content for different platforms? Well, WorkForce AI has got you covered. One piece of content, say a blog post, can be transformed into a video, image, voiceover, and social media post, all optimized for the specific platform you're targeting. That means you're not just creating content, you're creating smart content that works everywhere. Let's break down the power of that. Imagine you create just 5 pieces of content per day. That's 150 pieces in a month and 300 in 2 months. Even if each piece only gets you 100 views, that's 30,000 people who are seeing your brand. If just 2% of those people take action, that's 600 clicks, 600 potential customers. All of this, from content you didn't even have to stress over creating yourself. And here's the kicker. WorkForce AI doesn't just give you the ability to create content for your own brand. It also comes with a commercial license. This means you can create AI-generated content for other businesses and charge premium rates. Imagine being able to sell high-quality videos, images, blog posts, and voiceovers to clients without the need to hire a massive team or use multiple expensive subscriptions. Whether you're an agency owner, a marketer, or a content creator, WorkForce AI gives you a massive competitive edge by streamlining the entire content creation process. Now, I know you might be wondering about the pricing. Honestly, this is one of the best parts of the platform. WorkForce AI offers a special one-time price, and if you act fast, you'll also get a free commercial license along with access to exclusive AI monetization training. This training will teach you how to turn AI-generated content into a full-time income stream. It's a complete game changer. And if you're still not sure, don't worry, there's a 14-day risk-free trial. You can try out WorkForce AI, and if it doesn't meet your expectations, you can get a full refund. No questions asked. That's how confident they are in what they're offering. But let me tell you, once you see how easy it is to create high-quality content, you won't want to look back. To wrap it up, if you're tired of spending countless hours creating content, juggling different tools, or paying for expensive freelancers, WorkForce AI is the solution you've been looking for. It's your one-stop shop for AI-powered content creation, and with its commercial license and unique features, it's perfect for anyone looking to scale their business faster. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link below to get started with WorkForce AI and take your content game to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.